Hi, everybody. Sorry that I am not here today, but we're going to work on something relatively straightforward. You're going to add some text to the end of your video. So we're going to do a couple of steps. First, you have to get your computer ready. So just follow these steps. You'll click on Window, and you will click on Essential Graphics, and it will most likely end up over here on this side. This is good. We'll come back to that later. Next, you're going to go to the end of your video. We'll keep this simple. So first you need your window open. This will let you edit your text later. Now we're going to add our text. So you come to the end of your video here, and we'll just put it over the black space at the end of your video. Next, you're going to come to your tools. They're right here in the middle. Click on T for type or text, and it's super easy. All you do is click where you want the text to be, and you get this red box, and just type in your credits. And all I want you to do is put the name of the people that were in your group. So I'm going to put Brian Sapp. Oops. And it works just like regular text entry. Press again, and we'll put Brandy Sapp. Sure, I got Mrs. Sapp to work on it with me. And then lastly, I got my son to work on it, Ben Sapp. Oh, look at that. We all have B's in our names. Okay, so there you go. You have your text. Now see how easy this is? Next, if you want to move it around, you click on the selection tool, the arrow, and now you can move it around. You can change the size, and there you go. But what if you want to change the color? You want to get fancy, you want to change the color or the font? Come back to the T and highlight the text that you want. And over here on the side, you have all these controls. You want to make sure it says edit right here. Okay. And then you have all these controls. Your text controls are right here where it says text. If you want to choose a new font, you can choose another font. You can, I don't have any, all I need is I need to be able to read it. Okay. So you can look at all your text fonts. So I'm going to scroll and be here. I like this style of font. If you want to center the text, you can click this and center it. If you want to change the color, you can click on the fill. Fill is the color that goes inside of it. And I'm going to choose blue for today. And I'm going to choose blue. And I will hit OK. Next, it's not in the center, so I'm going to move it. So I'm going to go back and click on the selection tool and move it into the center. If you want to have the text move for credits, I will show you how to do that. If you want it to roll from top to bottom, I'll show you how to do that when I come back. Your text will be about 4 to 5 seconds. If you want it longer, it's just like any other clip. You can make it longer or shorter here. It needs to be long, at least 4 seconds long, so that way it doesn't look weird. And really, that's all you have. If you want to be, should maybe put the word credits on top of this. So let's do credits. Okay. So that's it. So we're going to review. So I'm going to go to the end of this. Okay. Go to the end of your video. Press the T tool. Go to our blank. Press the T for type. Press the cursor in the middle of your screen and then type your credits. Okay, and then the name of the people in your groups. If you want to add their jobs for your video, that's fine. And if you want to change the color, highlight whatever you want to change. Over here on the side, click on the color, and let's go with green for this next one. And hit OK. If I want to change the font, let's use this. And if I want to center it, because I like text centered, we do that. Now remember, if I want to move it, I have to change to the selection tool, and I can just move it where I want it to go. If you can't get it today, that's okay. We will get it when I come back. If you need help, ask a friend, somebody else. There's a couple people in class that have done text, and you can ask them for help. I will see you hopefully on Thursday. Thanks, guys.